So today we went down to Austin, Texas to go to the annual Trail of Lights event. This is actually the 58th year that they've held the event. The last 2 years was a drive-thru event due to COVID, and this is the first year since 2019 that they do have it back in person. Was excited to go to this event. There's over 2 million lights illuminating Zilker Park, which is near downtown Austin. But before we headed to the event, we had to go to a famous Austin restaurant, Terry Black's BBQ. Now, if you haven't heard of Terry Black's, you can definitely look them up online. Have some of the best barbecue I've ever eaten. As you can see right here, just a little look at the menu. And here they are cutting up some of the beef brisket. The barbecue was amazing. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Probably best I've ever had. We got beef brisket, we had ribs, jalapeno and cheddar sausage, pinto beans, green beans, mac and cheese, baked potato salad, the whole nine. Everything was there. Everything was delicious. You can see on this plate here, I got a piece of the rib, got the brisket, the mac and cheese. But I would definitely recommend going here. If you have not been to Terry Black's, you will not be disappointed. Now, before we get to the video of Austin Trail of Lights, let's take a look at the hotel. All right, y'all, so we're here at the Hampton Inn Suites. About to go into the room, just do a quick room tour to see what everything looks like. Just open it up here. Got very high ceilings in here. Looks like there's plenty of space. Let's check out the bathroom here. I already came in, took a quick glance at it. Hello. Got a nice countertop, plenty of countertop space. Got your toilet, of course, and then have a little tub here. Not bad at all. Let's go outside here. This is a connecting door to the room next door, so not gonna go in there. And then it looks like we got some sort of closet here. Let's take a look. Yeah, I got an ironing board in here. I have some hangers, a little rack to put your luggage on, extra toilet paper, and looks like we got some blankets and a pillow. And then we also have an iron as well. This is a 2 queen bedroom. So here's the first one. Have a little seat here. And then something interesting, I don't know if I've ever seen this. I haven't been in too many hotels, but we actually have a ceiling fan in the room with the light on it. You got a mirror here, you can check out your outfit. A full-length mirror. Little tiny TV. I don't know, maybe this is 32, maybe 40-inch TV. We do have a refrigerator as well. So nice little fridge there. Let's open that up. Yep, not too bad. Already put some leftover foods from the barbecue place there. And then we got a nice desk here as well. Have a couple cups, have your bucket for ice, small trash can. We got a rolling chair here, so if you want to set up a computer or something here. And another little mirror. Pretty nice room. Again, this is Hampton Inn Suites. Pretty nice. Should be comfortable, definitely for tonight's stay. And we are on the 8th floor, so I'm gonna give you guys a look outside. We actually have a balcony. Take a look at this view. Wow. Doing some major construction here. All right, I just changed our lens up to a little wide angle view to give you a better look. Hey. We're in downtown Austin right now. Awesome skyline. Let's do a little panoramic view here. These are the buses. We're about to get on these buses. It's gonna take us over to Zilker Park. So right now we're just headed to get on these buses, the shuttle, and once we get on this, it'll take us straight over to the park, and then we'll get to see the Trail of Lights. What's up, guys? This is Jawan from the future. It's actually Sunday, the next day, but I just wanted to insert this really quickly here. A little pro tip for anyone that's coming down to Austin's Trail of Lights. We took the shuttle, so they have two places that you can park. One place is called Republic Square. The other place is called Burger Center. We went to Republic Square. It's like a mile down the street from this Hampton Inn Suites. If you take one of those two shuttles, it will take you over to the Zilker Park where the Austin Trail of Lights is being held, and you actually get in an expedited line. They have a special line for those that take the shuttle. We got in extremely early. I want to say it was about 6:30, and technically it doesn't open until 7, but they let us inside of the Trail of Lights about 30 minutes early. There was like 500 people in the non-shuttle line, so if you drive, the parking is horrendous. I would not recommend driving over to the Austin Trail of Lights. I would recommend parking in either the Burger Center or the Republic Square, and I think that you'll enjoy getting in the event a little bit early as long as you get there before 7. The crowds were not too bad. We actually got to walk around one time, and then we walked around a second time after 7 and was able to avoid a lot of the headache, which is just the parking lot and getting into the event. Parking, if you take an Uber drop off or something like that, you're still going to experience having to get in that long line. So again, pro tip, just make sure you take one of the downtown shuttles to get over to the event, and I think you'll enjoy it a lot more. All right, back to the action. we're here at the Zilker Square. This is the part of the Trail of Lights where they have all the food vendor booths. Actually, this is one of the areas. They have one at the front as well. Just ate some fried shrimp. It was excellent. Had a corn dog. Very good. And so we're just walking around right now and seeing what other food options that they have. So we made it to Sunday. We're still at the Hampton Inn Suites, about to go down and get some complimentary breakfast. Breakfast time. Let's take a look at the selection here. Some eggs, potatoes, biscuits, sausage. Just getting a little continental breakfast. Blueberry waffles. Oh, malted vanilla, that's different. I'm going with the blueberry. Nothing better than a hot Texas waffle. It looks delicious, right? So I had a great time at the Trail of Lights. This is actually the first year that they've had it. The last 2 years, I believe they had a drive-thru, just according to their website. I haven't come in years. They had a drive-thru due to COVID. So this is the first year they've had it back in person since, I believe, 2019. It was really good. I do remember last time that I came, they had a lot more food trucks and vendors there, so it seems like they don't have as many as I remember, but all in all, it was still very good. Light display was really really fabulous, like it always is. It was warm yesterday, but it feels so much better today. It's actually pretty cool, probably in the 60s. It's about 8:15 in the morning on the Sunday. Isn't this a great view?